My experiment is the effect of club soda on plant growth, and I'm using the club soda as a method of getting CO2 into the soil, and it's known that plants and the plants that I'm using and most plants' roots don't absorb CO2. So I'm seeing really the effect on soil of the CO2 and how that affects the plants. So it's really an indirect type of process. Um, the big things that are happening right now is plant roots are kind of like coming out of their pots, and this is for the CO2 tests, and it's quite odd because some of like some of the plants will be touching the ground, but the roots will be actually up in the air, or they'll be like kind of spiraled on the ground. And the plants that have CO2 are actually kind of like limp. They don't stand up by themselves anymore, and I'm not exactly sure why. There are multiple explanations. I've talked to one professor that studies soil microbiology, and what she said was that it could possibly be an effect of well the the microbiology would actually be better off, um, which would make the plant better off. But then I talked to someone who specialized in plant roots, and they said that the roots respiration, which is when it takes in oxygen from the water and the soil, would be replaced by CO2, and therefore there'd be a lack of oxygen, and that would mean a lack of root respiration, which would drastically affect plant growth. Um, so we'll see how that goes, and tune in next time.